Hey, this is Dustin Sanchez, DustinSanchezTV.com. I'm going to talk about Facebook ads for your law firm. Before we get into that, just want to give a little background on who am I. All right, I'm going to Google right now. I'm just going to do a Google search for myself. Dustin Sanchez attorney, hit enter. I'm going to show you my Texas State Bar profile. I am a licensed attorney in the state of Texas. You can see me at the Texas State Bar. Okay, I no longer practice law because I just found that I was much better at helping attorneys generate new business with the internet, and so that's what I do full time now. But my experience as a practicing attorney in Texas gives me great insight into what it takes to effectively market a law firm, and I actually know what you are going through. So let's get into Facebook marketing for attorneys. What we're looking at here is the inside of my Facebook Ads Manager. You can see that I am going to run two Facebook ads for you. The first one is called the Traffic Generation Campaign, labeled here as Traffic. The second one is called Retarget Site Visits. Basically, we're going to run one ad at about $5 per day in pay-per-click fees. The point of that ad is to get people who are interested in your services to click on that ad. That's it. We just want people to raise their hand and say, yes, I am interested in this particular area of the law. Okay? Once they click that ad, we pixel them. I install a pixel on your website. Anytime someone clicks on your ad and they go to your website, Facebook pixels them. This allows us to retarget everyone who has visited your website, whether they get to your website via search engine optimization or whether they get to your website via this Facebook ad. Anyone who goes to your website is going to be thrown into our retargeting audience, okay? Let me show you what that retargeting audience looks like. Okay, if you look at the screen here, this is called the Asset Library inside of my Facebook Ads Manager. You see right here it says site visits 180 days. What that means is that anyone who has visited this website in the last 180 days is now thrown into our retargeting audience. The purpose of that first traffic generation ad is simply to build this retargeting audience. Right now, this particular attorney has 6,200 people in their retargeting audience. What that means is that for these 6,200 people, every time they log on to Facebook, Instagram, or any of the thousands of Facebook partners, any website or blog that Facebook partners with, every time they log on to the internet, they are going to see your face, your name, your law firm. And eventually, once we reach out to them enough times, they are finally going to break down and call your law firm. It has been proven that you have to reach out and touch these potential clients at least 7 times or more before they actually call your firm. And this retargeting ad gives us a second bite at the apple there. Second, third, fourth, fifth, 10th bite at the apple there. So let's go look at this second retargeting ad. Okay, I'm going to break down both of these ads for you. First the traffic generation ad, then the retargeting ad. Okay, I'm just going to click right here. Okay, this is the first ad, just the ad that we use to generate traffic, to kind of reach out to anyone in the city who may be interested in your particular legal area. Okay, you can see in the last 30 days, this particular ad has received 225 clicks. Okay, not only that, but it has been seen by over 21,000 people. Okay, 21,000 people have been reached by this ad in the last 30 days. That is a ton of brand building and brand recognition building for your website. That's why these Facebook ads work so well. For this particular attorney, anytime anyone in her city wants to find a personal injury lawyer, they no longer search personal injury lawyer. Now they search just her firm brand name. Why? Because they've seen her firm and her brand name associated with personal injury in that city on Facebook for the last 180 days every time they log onto the internet. And that's what you want. You want people searching for your brand name where you are every attorney on the first page of that search result, as opposed to someone searching personal injury lawyer or criminal attorney, where you might be one of 10 lawyers on page 1 for that search result. That's the second power of Facebook ads. Not only does it build a ton of brand recognition, it also can change the search term. People start searching for you directly instead of searching for a particular type of attorney. That's another reason why Facebook ads are so effective for law firms. Okay, let's look at this cost per result. Right here, you see this particular attorney in her city. She is paying 67 cents per click. We are going to start off by running 2 ads. Both of those ads are going to spend $5 per day, okay? It's not very much money at all, but you get a ton of reach for $5 per day. You can see this attorney is reaching over 21,000 people a month for $5 a day with just this traffic generation ad. Now let's go look at the specific makeup of the ad, what I like to call creative. Okay, most of this is proprietary information, so you can imagine that most of this is going to be blurred out. I don't want anyone stalking my clients, and I don't want any of my competitors picking up my secrets on how I'm running Facebook advertisement. But you can see a general makeup of this ad. It starts out here on the text. It just announces what kind of attorney we are. It gives the attorney's name, it gives a short blurb, and basically says click here to learn more. There's a picture of the attorney, a very engaging, a very humanizing picture of the attorney. That word, humanizing. I don't want to use stock images here. I want to use actual photos of actual attorneys at your law firm. We have to make you guys famous in your city, and using your actual face is how we're going to do it. Now, they click this ad, boom, they just got pixeled. Now they're getting retargeted by us every time they log on to the internet. Let's go take a look at that retargeting Facebook ad. Okay, we are looking at the second ad, the retargeting site visitors ad. You can see from those 6,000 plus people that are in our retargeting audience, in the last 30 days, 179 of them have clicked on our link, okay? I want you to come look at this column here. It's called frequency. What that tells you is how many times per month people are seeing this ad. People in our retargeting ad are seeing this particular ad 6.99 times per month. Okay, 7 times every 30 days. So there you go. Like I said, we have to touch these people 7+ times before they actually break down and call our firm and ask us to be their attorney. And that's what this ad is doing. Every 30 days, the average person in our retargeting audience sees this ad 7 times. That's exactly what you want. That's exactly how we can use Facebook ads to sign more clients for your business. Let's take an actual look at what this second ad looks like, what I like to call the creative. Okay, once again, a lot of this is blurred out. As I've said before, it's just to protect the anonymity of my clients, okay? You can see it starts right here with the actual text of the ad. Once again, we just remind them, we are an injury lawyer, or we are this particular kind of law firm in this particular city. Call us at this phone number if you want a consultation. Click to learn more. Once again, we use some humanizing photos of the attorneys at this firm. You can see this has plenty of social proof. 25 people have liked, commented, shared on this thing. There's 11 comments there. Okay, so that's it. That's the targeting ad. That's the retargeting ad. This is how we use Facebook ads to basically get your law firm new clients every month. I am Dustin Sanchez, DustinSanchezTV.com. Give me a call when you are ready to begin.